Hello all and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Ujwal. So in this video I'm going to explain you a step-by-step process how to create a GCKey account to apply a Canada visa. So before starting this video, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So you have to go in a Chrome browser or any of the browser and just write GCKey portal. And you will see a different links, so you can just click on the first link. I will also mention this link in the description, so just click on this and you will see this page from where you can create your GCKey account. So once you have created, you have to go into this sign in with GCKey and you will get a certain options to apply for a study visit, to apply for a visitor visa, to apply for a work permit, or else also you can apply an express entry profile through this GCKey account. So as this video is to create a GCKey account, so you have to go to this, like you don't have an account, you need to register. So just click on register. When you click on register, you will see these options and there will be a full instructions like how to register for an account, and these are the steps to register with GCKey. The first is click register with the GCKey below, click sign up, read the terms and conditions of use and click I accept, create username, create password, create your security questions, click continue to get the sign up, read terms and conditions again, enter your information, follow the steps to create your account. So all these steps we are going to see in this video. So let's begin. Click on register with GCKey. So you can see this page from where you would be able to sign in, as well as if you don't have, you can sign up as well. So you have to click on sign up. So these are the terms and conditions and you can see the steps: terms and conditions, username, password, questions and answer, email, and then accordingly once you click on the final checkout and you will see like your GCKey account has been created. So let's begin. So you need to click on I accept. So create your username. So you need to create your username for this. So I will create nomadic underscore Ujwal, and you can see the username checklist. This should be like, there should be you need to fulfill this thing. So you can see like there are two green ticks on it, so yeah, we can use this. Click on continue. Create your password. So you can create any of the password you wanted, but whenever you start, you can just see over here that they will show a tick sign. So I will enter the password. So still you can see, so there is something like the one thing is password match, because I have not included my password over here, so it's showing a cross sign. So I will just enter the same password. So now you can see like I am ready to go for the next step. So everything is tick over here. So accordingly, whenever you start or whenever you start to create your password, just make sure that all this has to be fulfilled. Now click on continue. So these are the recovery questions. So whenever you have stuck with your GCKey account, you forget your the password or the username, then this all recovery questions will help you to recover your account. So let's begin. So select a recovery question. So you can start with anything, whatever you are comfortable and whatever you are willing to answer this, like you can remember it accordingly, you can do it. Like I will just start with what make a car did a first drive. I will just write Ford car. My memorable person, I can write father. So my okay, so once you have wrote over here, you also have to put a hint so that you can remind like whatever the answer you have set for the recovery question. So you can just write whatever you feel you want to keep a hint, father name or something, it's fine, whatever you want to do it. My memorable date, I will write my birth date for example, and hint is birth date. I will click on continue. So now you have to enter your email address. So just make sure this email address should be like a first time, like whenever you are creating your account, the same email ID you cannot use to create the another account. So here it should be a unique account. So I have created multiple accounts for different use, so I will try today with a different username so that I can explain you what are the process for it. So I will just write ujwaljoshi.ca at yahoo.com, ujwaljoshi.ca at yahoo.com. so I will enter this email ID because I have already used my few of the email ID and I have created a special new email ID for creating this video. So you have to click on continue. So it is like you have successfully created your GCK account. This is my username. Please click continue to verify your email address. So once you click on continue, so there will be a unique confirmation code will go to this email address. So I have already got a code, so it's 2QCTMYHB and I will do continue. So you have successfully added the email recovery option, so I will click on the continue. So this is the first page. It will show like welcome Nomadic Ujwal. So from here you can also change your password, change your recovery questions, manage your email address or revoke your GC key. So you can just click on continue. So when you will click on continue, you will get this terms and conditions, so you need to accept it. So now this will ask you to create your account. So now like if you are using for yourself, for your wife, for your kid or for whoever it is, so you have to write the name. Like I will create this for myself, so I will just write my given name and this would be as per your passport. So I will write my name as per the passport. Email address, I will say again a same which I have used to create this account, but you can also create the you can also enter the other address as well, but I will, for safe side, I will always suggest to give a same email ID so that you don't have to keep you don't have to remind all the ID and password. Preferred language, it would be English. I will continue. So now this will be a security question. So whenever you will be logging into your account, they will ask you a security questions. So just make sure this should be like, if you don't remember something, you just record it or you just mention it somewhere, like what were the security questions you have filled while creating this account, because every time you will have to answer the security questions whenever you would be logging into your GCK account. So security question 1, whatever question you want to ask, I will write favorite country. The answer is India. The second question would be my first car. I will write Ford car. Question 3, my best friend name. I will write Deepak. My first phone, all right, iPhone. So just make sure that you save all this question and answer, or just click the photo of it so that you don't forget whatever the questions you have entered over here and whatever the answers you have entered over here. So click on continue. So now the account is been created. You can see like my name I have entered. So this is my account, and from here you can see all the options like apply to come to Canada, refugee, citizenship, student transfer school, everything you can do it from here. When you click on apply to come to Canada, you have certain options like visitor visa, study or work permit, express entry, and also international experience Canada class. So you can create everything, all the account over here, and whenever you apply a visa, it will show over here with the application type, application number, applicant name, date submitted, current status, message, everything over here. So this is full process like how to create a GCKey account. So just follow the step. It is very easy. Even you have seen like it is very easy process. Just make sure that you don't forget your recovery questions and answers, and also your security questions, because security questions is the one thing that every time whenever you would be logging into your GCK account, you have to answer those questions. And if the answer is wrong for the multiple time, then your GCK account will be locked and you won't be able to revoke it, or you won't be able to retrieve this account. Then there are certain process which you have to call the IRCC and you have to do it, but I will suggest to just save all the question and answer, because this is something which you have to remember all the questions and answer, and you have to fill it properly and correctly. So this is all about a step-by-step process to create your GCK account. Even after watching this video, if you feel that you have a certain doubt or something, just comment in the comment section, or else if you want to give me your reply as soon as possible, then you can also follow me on my Instagram page, which is Nomadic Ujwal. You can DM me and I will assure you that I can reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you feel this video is helpful and it can help someone else, then kindly share this video. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.